So this capybara head can be worn, and when it's worn, if you boop this pumpkin on top of its head, it will print out a photo of what it sees. So this is a camera, and it also has googly eyes that are magnetic and can be swapped out. I have never seen anything like this. So for one, 3D printed googly eyes making an appearance. Like I've never encountered that. The fact that they exist is news to me. And I really think that this design was probably one of the cutest things I've seen in a while. As somebody who's also taken it full send with a costume that restricts your visibility, I will say that wearing this thing must have been absolutely awful. So kudos to the creator of this for not only like committing to the bit and wearing it for a significant amount of the conference, but also enduring like attending one of the most visually stimulating conferences in the world with like slitted forward vision through a couple of holes. I have to say, like, I was fascinated by everything I was seeing, and not being able to see it because I was busy doing a capybara bit would probably be a step beyond my level of discipline. So as you can see, when you boop this, it thermal prints a little picture of what it sees. And it was cool to see some of the actual like process of this like working and like, I don't know. I just thought that as a wearable, as something that got people's attention, it was interactive, it was adorable, and it also had like a retro kind of throwback look and used material in a way I hadn't seen before. Of everything at Supercon, I think that honestly, this might have been one of my all-time favorite things.